G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now here's a quick and simple pasta dish that you can whip up. What I got in this wok is some bell pepper, red bell pepper, we call it capsicum here. Now I've chopped up some spring onions. Usually don't use spring onions for this sort of dish, maybe for cream sauces, but anyway I put some spring onion. Simple recipe. Clove of garlic. Now I make my own pasta sauces, so I freeze it, and when I need a batch, bring it out for whatever dish I'm going to make. So just one clove of garlic. You can put as many cloves as you want, depends how much garlic you want. Now I'm going to put the sauce in. Now the sauce is just crushed tomatoes, basil and oregano, salt and pepper, and I've actually got garlic in there as well. So in goes my pasta sauce. Now you can use all different types of pasta for this. Excuse me. I'm using good old spaghetti today, so you can use tagliatelle, penne pasta, spaghettoni, whatever pasta you want, gnocchi, ravioli, tortellini, and like I said, keep it simple. You don't need a million ingredients for these sort of dishes. Now I like olives, so there's some Greek Kalamata olives. They're sweet. I'm not really into the Spanish black olives. And there goes my spaghetti, which is cooked to al dente, to the bite. And well, you don't want to cook the spaghetti usually about 11 minutes for this sort of spaghetti. And remember, once you put it in the wok, it's going to cook a bit more. And there you have it. Sorry about the close-up of I had the camera a bit too close there, but there you have it. And I'm doing a voiceover because the audio is stuffed up. That's why I'm doing a voiceover. I've got some pecorino romano cheese on top there as well. Give this a go. Put some chili on it if you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.